Let's learn the ABC. Come and sing with me. A for apple,
Yum.
shiny and red. B for ball, bouncing ahead. C for cat, cute as can be. D for dog, happy and free. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish, swimming through all. G for goat, eating all day. H for hen, dancing away. I for ice cream, sweet and cold. J for jug, shiny and bold. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, roaring the sky. M for mango, juicy and sweet. N for nest, cozy and neat. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, talking all night. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rabbit, jumping around. S for sun, shining so bright. T for train, chuck chuck in sight. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van on the lane. W for watch ticking on time. X for xylophone, music that shines. Y for yak, furry and fun. Z for zebra, and now we're done. We learned the ABC, singing happily. Come again with me to learn the ABC.
It's time to go, so wave goodbye. And make sure that you hit subscribe.